What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do some embossing. I haven't done a ton of embossing, but I have done some. And right now we're testing this pattern that we're thinking about doing on our shop van. So this is a van that we got for our work, for our shop, which was actually maybe not my van to drive. But we were thinking about doing this pattern over like this whole section, the back section. Once you guys actually see the wrap, which will be one of the next videos probably, it will make a lot more sense why I'm saying only the back section. But right now I'm going to show you guys how you lay a piece of vinyl over this and how to properly emboss it and how that works. Okay, so once you've got whatever pattern or logo or whatever you're embossing and you lay your wrap over top, I'm just going to take this piece, lay it down like that. I'm putting pretty firm pressure on because I want that pattern to show through, because that's the whole point of embossing, right? But you're not just going to end it there. Once you're done squeegeeing that on, some people may say, oh, it's embossed. Yeah, but if you guys look close, it's not sharp because there's still air trapped in all of those little lines. So what I do then, put on a wrap glove. This one by Wraps by SF. The link will be in the description if you guys want to check them out. Get my heat gun warmed up. And I'm gonna go over each one of these with just my finger and heavy pressure. Which makes a massive difference on the look and how the embossing actually turns out. Takes out all those air bubbles. So I would do that around the whole design like that. And I'll show you guys here a little before and after of that. So you can tell those ones I've done and those I have not. So big difference. Those ones are sharp and those ones you can still tell have a bunch of air in there and very faded lines kind of thing. So that is pretty much how embossing works. I think it's a pretty cool little pattern that we might be doing here. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful at all, if you guys want me to do more videos like this, if you guys like this video, hit that subscribe button, comment down below what video I should do next. We'll talk to you guys in the next one.